Sarah, can you show me how to do the rhinestones?
Yeah. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with our pre-cut. This is called Rocket Rhinestone Flock, and this has a sticky adhesive backing on it so it can be transferred onto a table or a surface like how I have right here, so I can reuse it. And then, so I already have my design cut, and we're going to be using our SS10. These are hotfix rhinestones, and these are the crystal AB, crystal ABs. So we're just going to take these and dump some of them right here on the surface. And then I'm going to take this rhinestone brush, and we're just going to simply swift around so that all these little pieces can fall into the holes. And if you notice, you don't want to go too heavy, so that way they have the chance to go into those little holes. We've gone ahead and flattened out the majority of this design, but if you continue to keep pushing them around, sometimes they just don't want to go into the little holes. They're just a little stubborn. So what you can do is you can take a little rhinestone tool that has like a wax or silicone tip. We have them on our site if you need them. And you're just simply going to take your little diamond and just stick it in the spot. So you can just pick them up and place them where they're missing from.
And then you can put your excess back in there. Wow, gorgeous. And then the next step is you're going to take the TTD mask.
Take it off the carrier.
Or the rhinestone mask.
And then we're simply just going to place this right over this material. Take our squeegee, create a bond. Once they create that bond, you can go back and go harder because you know it's actually on there. You don't want to flip any stones over going too hard at first. And so now we're creating that bond between our TTD mask or rhinestone mask. And we're gonna flip this over again just to make sure we've created that bond. And then when we lift this, oh no, I messed up.
Okay, so if you do notice that some get loose, you can just take it apart real quick and fix it.
Make sure you're taking your time when you're creating that bond. Alright. And, ooh.
Oh, so satisfying.
There you go.
Yay.
Have your template cut, you can save this for later. And we're gonna take the back of our TTD mask or rhinestone mask, and we're just gonna put it right back on here.
And this is just if you're not ready, right?
Yes, correct. And then you can save it for later.
Okay.